Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing for you, and this time it is my Ipsy box. I told you there was going to be a lot of unboxings on my channel this week. I did upload, if you guys missed it yesterday, I did a actual makeup video with the e.l.f. Chipotle collection. So I'll have that link down below if you guys want to check it out. It is such a fun collection. I have it on my eyes today, and I'm really liking the palette so far. I think it just launched to the public today too. So I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to pick it up, because I feel like it's going to sell out, or hopefully it's not sold out already by the time I'm saying this. And I think you get like a free chips and guac as well with the purchase of the palette, which I think is really cool. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and unbox my Ipsy for you guys today. I do get this scent by Ipsy, and they included the little Glam Bag, the Glam Bag Plus, and also some of their new Refreshments options. So we're going to go through everything today. And I had to go stop at McDonald's and get a large iced tea for this. It's been a long day. I had a really long photo shoot today, so I'm just like beyond tired. And McDonald's has the best iced tea, in my opinion. Let me know if you guys agree. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. So the theme for March is Stronger Together, and it says some things are just better together. Celebrate the people that make you look and feel your best. Here is the packaging on this. And in this small bag, this is $12 a month. We usually get like sample sized products. So the first thing we got, this is by the brand Sela. I definitely recognize this brand. I think I've gotten it before in Ipsy. I think it was like a hand cream that I got in one of my Glam Bag Pluses, and it was pretty good. I think they have really pretty packaging. This is the Seed to Skin Scrub. It says natural grain polish from them. And this is to exfoliate the skin. It has orange, cedarwood, and patchouli, so I'm guessing this is a body scrub. I probably wouldn't put this on my face. We also got something in bubble wrap here. So this is from Saint Luxe. I definitely have seen some of their lip products before, but this is a highlighter from the brand, and this is in rose quartz. It's a really pretty one. This is a really nice size too, and it has a very smooth feel to it, and I feel like the color is beautiful, like very blingy. So that's actually really nice. I'm excited to put that on the face. We also got, this is one of my favorite of all time products from Ouai. It's their leave-in conditioner. Ugh, this stuff makes my hair so soft. I always buy backups of this stuff because I love how it just untangles my hair like when I get out of the shower, but it also leaves their amazing scent in my hair all day long. Like, it lasts. I love the smell of the Ouai products. So good. So I am very happy to have another one of those for sure. We also got this. Oh, it's the KVD Locket little mini setting powder. These are nice to throw in like my makeup bag if I don't want to take like a full-size powder with me to kind of blot my face, because I always have to blot since I'm oily. So we will also use that. And we also got this from the brand Coco Kind. I've been seeing this brand at TJ Maxx lately. So this is their resurfacing sleep mask. It says overnight mask with plant-derived retinol alternative. So a little sleeping mask. That one looks pretty good as well. That is everything I got in my little mini Ipsy. I think it's a pretty good box. I'm really happy with all the products in here. I think I will use pretty much everything. So I think that was a really good box for the $12. Now I'll show you guys what I got in my big bag, the $25 Glam Bag Plus. By the way, they also have a Glam Bag X, and I showed that in my last unboxing video. The next one's going to be in May, and it's with Khloe Kardashian, and they already put sneak peeks up, and they have Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream as one of the products, which is like $100 for that moisturizer. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, let's see what we got in the Glam Bag Plus. First thing is some brushes. I always get so many brushes. These are from MOTD, which I'm guessing is makeup of the day. They are really pretty light pink ones. Very, very nice. We also got here a lip oil. This is from Florence by Mills. This is exciting. I don't think we've gotten Florence in a subscription box. This is Millie Bobby Brown's makeup brand, if you guys know her as 11 on Stranger Things. I've seen this brand at Ulta. I feel like it's geared more towards the younger crowd, so I haven't really tried anything from it, but I think a glow like lip oil is definitely a good thing to try. I'm not sure if it has a shade name. I'm not seeing one, so I'm guessing they're all the same. It has a really nice slip to it. There's not really any colors, but the texture is very nice on it. We also got here from Item Beauty. Now this one I did get already in my Glam Bag X. So usually Ipsy does not send repeats. The Glam Bag X was something I purchased, so they don't really know what stuff I already had since they did send this over. But if you guys do get both bags, you won't get repeats. But this is the One Hit Prime Set and Refresh Spray. I'll go ahead and share what this looks like. I really like the mister on this one. And then we also got here, this is also another product that I do own already. This is the Pure Elise Silk Glow BB Base Primer. This is really good. I used it in a little Instagram takeover I did with Pure Elise over on their socials, and I really love this primer. So it's going to give your skin a really nice glowy base for your foundation. I used this in conjunction with their new Vitamin C CC cream, and I absolutely loved how my skin looked. It was so glowy, but it wasn't over the top. Like, it actually lasted, and I didn't get oily, like oilier throughout the day. It was a really nice combination. This is also oil free, so I think this works really good, and I'm very excited to see it featured in the Glam Bag Plus. Ipsy does feature a lot of Pure Elise, and they are one of my favorite makeup brands. They honestly are so underrated. I feel like no one talks about them, but they have such good products. And then the last thing I got in my Glam Bag Plus, this looks really interesting. This is by the brand Belle and Argent, I believe. But this is a palette. It says Pan Chromatic Eyeshadow Palette in Plum Perfection. This palette is really stunning. Here is the shade. So it does have these like purpley mauve tones. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a couple of the colors. Oh, it feels really good. The mattes are so soft. I'm impressed so far. Let me try this glitter. I don't always like the pressed glitters. And I'm not sure I like the glitter in it, but everything else seems really nice. I think this is really good quality, and I can't wait to try out this brand. I like that. It's like a mini palette. I feel like I use mini palettes more frequently. They're just easier to create looks with. So that is everything in the Glam Bag Plus. Overall, really nice products, some fun new stuff, and I think they did a nice variation of stuff. So now I want to go over some of the new refreshment items that you guys could get. So I think the refreshments are like add-ons that you could do, or you could subscribe to it, and they've been having new products like every month too. Last month we got like a razor, which was really nice, and this month we have a new body wash, although I really wish they would get some different scents in because I'm not really feeling their citrus scent. So we got the Refreshments Pearly Body Wash in Citrus Spritz. We also have their new deodorant, which is really cool. They have a breezy deodorant. This is unscented, and this is a vegan formula free of parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. And it's also aluminum free and baking soda free, so this is supposed to be really good. I'm always interested in trying different aluminum-free deodorants. I feel like it's hard to find a really good one because a lot of them I feel like irritate my underarms. The one that's been working for me really well is the Kopari one, so I'll have to see how this one does. They also have another one. This is the Pacific Fizz, actually scented one. Let me smell this one. Ooh, that smells really good. I like that a lot. So I'm kind of liking the new refreshments. I feel like they're coming out with this line with just basic stuff that you need for every day, like razor, shower gel, deodorant. We use that stuff all the time, so it's kind of nice to see that. So that is everything I got in my Ipsy, my Creator Ipsy box. Just kind of an overview of some products that are featured this month and maybe you will get in your different bags. I'll probably still do my paid for ones as well, although I've been having a little bit of a tiff with Ipsy because I've been having a hard time being able to choose my products on my paid for account. It's just been a whole fiasco, and I just feel like I'm not really getting help with it. So I think I finally figured it out, and it's something to do with my email, like my creator email. Since I'm a creator with them and now I also have my own paid for, I can't choose products for my paid for box. It's such a confusing thing. I think I fixed it. We'll have to see it next time, but I'm kind of frustrated that I wasn't able to pick anything because that's a big incentive of what I like about the program. So hopefully I can figure that out and get that fixed for next month, because I don't want to switch everything over to a new account because I will lose everything, like all of my years of products that I've got before, all of my preferences, all my reviews I did. I would lose all of that, which doesn't make sense to make a whole new account, because then I would just get duplicate products because they can't track, you know? So no one's really helping with the issue, but hopefully I can kind of figure it out on my own. I didn't want to mention that. It is just a little bit frustrating. But I do think they had some really cool products this month in the Glam bags. I can't wait to see what I got in my other ones. But that is going to be it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.